See in your mathematics book, in this book we have started this already, this 12th one chapter can be shared in this chapter. This one point remain. See this page number 175. How weak are you? Here divide into groups of these two using this 2 times table. See here division is given 18 divided 2. Then you write here directly answer 9. These two table you count up to 18. 2 9s are 18. Then you write here answer 9. Then see here again one division 18 divided 9. This 9 2s are 18. Then you write here answer 2. Then 16 divided 2. See here 16 divided 2. 2 8s are 16. Then you write here answer 8. Then 20 divided 2. See here 2 10s are 20. Then you write here answer 10. Then here one box is given divided 2 is equal to 7 answer. See here you do here division here. Then you do here these two numbers multiplication. 7 2s are 14. Then you write here answer 14. 14 divided 2 is equal to answer 7. Then again one box here and here divided 2 is equal to 10. See, you see here these two numbers multiplication 10 2s are 20. Then you write here answer 20. Then here 8 divided here one empty place is equal to 4. See here 4 2s are 8. Then you write here answer 2. Means 2 4s are 8. This one are answer. The next one here empty box is given divided 2 is equal to 5. Then you do here multiplication of these two numbers. 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10. Then you write here answer 10. Means 10 divided 2 is equal to 5. The next one see here 10 divided 5. Here 10 divided 5 is given. Then you write here answer correct. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. Then in homework you write this answer here 2. Then 20 divided here one empty box and here answer is given 4. Then you 4 divided by this 20. 4 5s are 20. Then you write here answer 5. Then next one 15 divided 5 is equal to 15 divided 5. 5 1 is 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. Then you write here answer 3. Then 40 divided here one empty box and here 8. 8 5s are 40. Then you write here answer 5. 20 divided 5 is equal to. Then here one empty box divided 5 is equal to here 6. Then 6 5s are 30. Here 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. And 5 4s are 20. Then you write here correct answer 4. Then next one 25 divided 5. Then 5 5s are 25. Then you write here answer 5. Then here one empty box here divided 5 is equal to 3. Then do these two numbers multiplication. 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. Then you write here 15 divided 5 is equal to answer 3. Then 35 divided 5 is equal to 5 7s are 35. Then you write here answer 7. Then divided here 5 is equal to 2. Then you do here multiplication of these two numbers. Here two numbers 5 2s are 10. Then you write here 10. 10 divided 5 is equal to 2. Then in homework you complete this. Then next one see. In this type of this given again here 4 divided here one empty box here 2. 2 2s are 4. Then you write here answer 2. 14 divided 7 is equal to 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. Then you write here answer 2. 6 divided 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. Here one empty box divided 2 is equal to here 7. Means 7 2s are 14. Then here one empty box divided 2 is equal to here answer 3. Then you do here multiplication 3 2s are 6. Then 15 divided 3. 3 5s are 15. Then you write here answer. Correct one in this empty box. 8 divided 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Then here 15 divided 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. Then you write here correct one answer. Then 8 divided here one empty box is equal to 4. See here 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Means here 8 divided 2. You write here answer 4. Then here one empty box and here divided 2 is equal to 8. Here do multiplication of these two numbers. 8 into 2. 8 2s are 16. Then you write here answer 16. 16 divided 2 is equal to answer 8. In homework you complete this. Fill in the blanks. Then here this chapter can we share 12th one this chapter completed. Then tomorrow we will study this 13th one chapter smart charts. And 14th one chapter design paise. Means here only 2 chapters remain in this second semester syllabus of this in this math magic book. Okay, bye.